Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about the named query. We already talked about the JPQL, and named query is a part of the JPQL, but it's a little bit different whenever we are using the annotation named query. The features of this named query are that named query compiled and validated at startup time. Okay, so whenever we're starting the application, it is going to be compiled and validated. That's it. And processed only once and then executed at runtime in query form. Okay. Avoids continuously parsing JPQL and generating SQL. Named queries are easier to maintain. So the benefit of named query is that this is faster than the normal JPQL. And since this is processed only once, its performance is better than if we are going to write the normal queries. Now, how are we going to write over here? So let's look into the member class over here. This is the member entity. And you can see that we defined the named query over here. And I have defined two named queries over here. Named query with the annotation and then name. So this is the name of this named query. So whenever I'm going to invoke this query, I'll have to call by member.findAll, and the query itself is select M from member M. Okay, and then there is another one named query, and the name is member.findMember. Okay, and then query is select M from member M, where m.member_id equals member ID. Okay, so this one is returning me one particular member, and this named query is returning me all the list of all the members. And again, we can refer this named query by its name, which is this one, and for this named query the name is this one, and we are passing on this query language. So this is just the easiest format. And how we're going to use it, so let's look over here, member DAO IMPL, and you can see that I have an implementation of the member DAO interface. And again, this is a repository. Okay, and it says that query em equals create named query. Okay, so look at this method. This is a create named query, and then I am invoking this by the name member.findAll and passing on the member class, and then it is returning me the list of all the members. And this is how I'm going to use the named query in my implementation classes. And again, the rest is just as it was before. Like if I'm having a problem, then I can put it's on the catch block. I'm throwing the connection problem, and then finally I need to close the entity manager. And again, you can see that the entity manager, which is part of the persistence context. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.